back to my channel. So I finally put together a vitamin C skincare routine. So these products contain the ingredient of vitamin C. This skincare routine is great for all skin types. Do have a little irritation with the ingredient vitamin C. I recommend these products. Just in my personal experience, I have sensitive dry skin and these don't seem to bother my skin at all. They actually make it feel really comfortable. Doing this routine, I have seen the results as far as brightening. It does really help to lighten those hyperpigmentation spots gradually over time. So if you're interested in vitamin C skincare routine, keep watching. So we're gonna take the bubble foam maker and the cleanser, the vitamin C cleanser. So many trucks going by. Okay, so I already have a little bit of water in here, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of this cleanser because this cleanser actually foams up really well. Okay. My brush is already wet. Back in and just do one more layer of it because I just did the brush for cleansing. I'm gonna do a tiny bit more. So I'm gonna go rinse this off with cool water because I don't have a sink in front of me. I'll be right back. Okay, so we are nice and cleansed, nice and fresh for our vitamin C skincare. So we're first gonna go in with a toner before we do a sheet mask. The toner I'm gonna be using is the Milano CC Japanese drugstore toner, and this one's really good. It's a classic pretty much. So I used to pat this in, but I just find it better to layer it on with the cotton pad first. So a bit on. And it's just a little thicker of a watery toner, and it contains the ingredient vitamin C for the brightening. Wipe down my skin with the toner. Now it's time for the sheet mask. It's optional, you guys don't have to do this, but I really like the level of hydration it gives my skin. So going in with the Gray Stay sheet mask. These are just a vitamin C essence sheet mask. If you have oily skin, you might want to skip out on the sheet mask, but if you do have dry skin, I really recommend it because it gives you another layer of hydration, plus it has that brightening ingredient of vitamin C. It's in a container like this, and this one says that it's a 60-second sheet mask, so it's perfect for the morning time when you're on the go. Well, supposedly works in 1 minute or less. And this sheet mask too is very cooling, the vitamin C, and it molds to the face so quickly. Like once it touches the skin, it like sucks it right onto it or sticks it right onto it, and you're good. So I literally leave this on for 1 minute. So it has been exactly 1 minute, and I'm just gonna pull this off, and it gives a level of hydration. I first thought that if this was gonna be too much essence for just a minute, you'd have to leave it on longer. But the more that I got used to it, it really does work in a minute. So now it's time for serum. The serum I've been using is the OOTD Dark Spot Vitamin C Serum. This one's really good for sensitive skin. In my case, for sensitive dry skin, it has not broken me out. A basic vitamin C serum, the main things it does is just lighten hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and helps to brighten the skin over time. So I use a layer of this after the sheet mask. And I'm pretty generous with this too as far as the amount, because it doesn't leave a sticky layer. It really just puts a kind of gel type serum finish on the skin, which I love. I just gave that a few seconds to dry down, and already my skin feels so fresh and so clean with this vitamin C type routine. But we do still need to moisturize. Moisturizer is not going to be vitamin C, but it focuses on brightening. So I really recommend you guys, if you can't find a good vitamin C moisturizer that works with your skin, check out rice ingredient, because rice is also not going to counteract with the vitamin C ingredient, but it's still going to give you that layer of hydration and brightening. I've been using the So Cute moisturizing and brightening cream. This has the rice ingredient in it. So the moisturizer seems like it's a thick cream, but once it breaks down onto your skin, it just kind of turns to gel, so it doesn't feel heavy at all. And still gonna do my everyday foundation makeup moisturizer too, even though it does set down to like a clear gel finish. you have to really work into your skin because it is a little bit thicker of a gel, so it does take a little time on top of all the vitamin C products, and especially the sheet mask, to kind of soak in. But I love it because it keeps my skin comfortable all day long and it doesn't dry out. So using vitamin C type ingredients, I always try to use a thicker moisturizer, even though it takes a little time to just kind of like, you know, melt into the skin. On top of it, it locks in all of those steps that I just did, and it doesn't dry out during the day. So everyday rice moisturizer. To finish off the routine too, of course, we need a sunscreen, guys. Like, don't forget about the sunscreen. So unfortunately, I have not found a sunscreen that contains vitamin C that I like. So I'm using the Cosrx Aloe Soothing Sun Cream. I think with all of these steps and the vitamin C formulas, this sunscreen works the best with this routine, just because it is really mattifying and it's going to really lock in everything, especially after that rich moisturizer. And it's SPF 50 PA triple plus. So when you first look at this sunscreen, you might think too, oh, it's going to be a white cast on my skin, but it actually just dries down pretty invisible and clear. Do the 2-finger sunscreen method. Applied that sunscreen very aggressively, but now you see the skin doesn't look too oily with all these layers and everything's set in. On the other side of it, if you do try this routine, your skin's gonna feel amazing. My skin right now feels moisturized, cooled down, nice and fresh. This could just go like this, bare skin with just a sunscreen. Great for every day. Every day I do like to wear a cushion foundation. This skincare routine is perfect for just a light layer of makeup. So I'm using this Try cushion foundation. This one's pretty popular right now, but it's like a full coverage but natural looking cushion foundation. What I do for every day is just put a light layer of this onto my skin, and on top of the skincare, it does not feel like too much. So it's just like a quick layer of coverage. It looks a little scary because I gotta do my brows and my lashes, but this literally just gives you a full coverage, natural look, and it's so quick to do. So after you do a skincare routine, to pop on this cushion foundation, it's great for on the go and every day. And I love how I can just throw this on as my base layer and I don't really need a concealer. I finished up my everyday makeup. Again, no concealer, just a cushion foundation, cream blush, and then I did my mascara routine and my brows. But yeah, so this is how I would just like my spring routine because of how great it makes my skin feel in the morning. So that was my vitamin C skincare routine. I do hope that you found this helpful. I will list all the products with the links in the description box. Vitamin C products that you love, let me know in the comments down below. I will definitely check them out. And yeah, with that being said, I want to say thank you so much for watching as always, and I will see you in my next skincare video. Bye.